So we're waiting for the bus to go to Hoiping, China. So we're having a little dim sum here. They have a dim sum place inside as well as outside. We got a few tasty dishes like sticky rice and barbecue pork bun and some xiu long bao. So almost ready to go to Hoiping. You are here with me in Hong Kong at a street side dim sum. 嗰啲你咪解要韓文係嘛？係嘛？要韓文嘅。
OK，这个
20块
6块
，6块，
这个6块钱一个。
So this is the xiu long bao. Pretty good deal here. It's 3 for 20 kwai. We're having the street side dim sum. We're ordering as we wait for the bus. Mami, has a mong the hello,
Hello.
So my mom and my brothers and I were going to Hoiping. We're waiting at the bus stop. This dim sum place is right beside the bus stop. So we're having a few tasty treats, some nice dim sum before we get on the bus. So we're just kind of chowing down here on the dim sum here. So yeah, this sticky rice has salty duck egg too. That's a pretty good deal here. So we're just having a little dim sum here. That's pretty good sticky rice. So this is our bus on our way to Hoiping. So we're just getting on right now. We're on our way to Hoiping, China, one of the original 4 counties where most of the immigrants who came to North America were from. So Hoiping is also known as Kaiping in Mandarin. So the original 4 counties were Hoiping, Taishan, Sanwei, and Yinping. We're also going to visit the ancient town of Chiak Hom, also known as Chikan in Mandarin. It's an ancient town in Hoiping. Home-style cooking with stewed type of goose. It looks pretty good. Lots of sauce and it looks very, very tasty. So this is a very traditional soup. We got a big pot here. So this is in our hotel dining room here. So you get traditional greens in a nice broth. This is a bok choy soup, really a traditional type of soup. So I was in Beijing for a week, and I didn't have rice till the 6th day. But now I'm back in Hoiping, and this is the big pot of rice that we're going to have. I'm going to eat a lot of this rice.
Bak choy sam.
The big plate of chicken and bok choy. So this is bitter melon or fugua with black bean sauce and some mushrooms and other ingredients in there. Beef brisket. This is the beef brisket. It smells pretty good, and I think it probably will taste pretty good too as well. So I haven't been here in Kaiping for about 3 years, and it's all of a sudden gone glitzy. Well, it looks a lot different from what it was 3 years ago. Come here all the time. This restaurant is right beside the New World Hotel.
Okay,
meat there. Yeah.
I forgot about that.
How's that? They actually wrap it up.
No, that's village style.
Which is
you just throw it on the table. You just
whatever.
So this is the eel clay pot rice. They're famous for this eel clay pot rice.
So that's what a jingle chow fung wei.
That's pork and fuyu with green beans. Ginger, green onions, chicken. Chicken with ginger and green onions. 煙嚟嘅嘢。
啊，一個幾
冇嚟，我人要嘅煙嚟嘅，問開嚟。
哦，
試下佢喺度。
嗱，一個幾得。
嚟啊！免費試食啊！飲酒飲佢啊！放啲煮啦，有兩個煮。
I'm at the Chikan movie and TV studio, or Chiak Hom, or Hoi Fong. So I'm just going to go in and check out the Chikan TV and movie studio. This is the ticket stub to go inside. 40 yuan, which is roughly $7 and something. So this is what the ticket looks like. So this is the movie set that a lot of Chinese movies have been made here. So this is one of the movie sets here. Oh, it's quite a grand place here. So this was probably a modified old building. The inside could be just made to look like whatever they want. You can see the set. Some of these columns are made from styrofoam. So this column is styrofoam. That's cardboard. No priming on here. Some of the railings here, it's actually plywood. So it looks like the real thing. It's actually, the set in here is actually manufactured from cardboard and different materials. But it looks pretty real. So it's a very interesting set here. And I've passed by the set a number of times, never actually gone inside. Realistic looking set here. So I'm at one of the rooms here on the set. There's a bedroom on the set. So just taking a little look around here on the movie set here, and here's one of the rooms with a picture of Sun Yat-sen. Behind me are some of the movies that have been made here. So now I'll be looking for the sets whenever I watch these Chinese movies. I'm in front of the Seto Library here in Hoiping, China, in Chiak Hom. So this is the library that contains the history of the Seto clan in China and throughout the world. So some of my written stories are published, and I brought a copy of the book right here to the library here. So we visit the Seto family library every chance we get to Chikan or Chiak Hom in Hoiping, China. So Mr. Seto Liang, he's the librarian and the custodian here. He's also a historian, and he's done some magnificent work about the history of the Seto clan here in the local area. 佢話大經嘅喊好，即係外色500銀，哦2萬幾錢銀人一銀，佢大經嘅哦 A 面佢喊你好念 A 嘅好，
確幾大？
可以都可嘅，
呢個係
做機呢攞人學嘅亂肉，我錯，哦。 So this is the church where my mom went to when she was about 9 years old. This is the church where my mom went when she was a little girl. She told us about this church. And here we are in Hoiping, China. My mom went to this church when she was about 9 years old. So we got this card, and we can contact them if we want to come back to this church. Whenever we go to Chiak Hom town, or Chiak Hom, we always stop over for clay pot rice cooked over the wood stove. Little do we know this would be the last time we'd be eating clay pot rice in this ancient town. When I went back in January of 2019, the whole town was being renovated. Now there's hardly anybody living in the town, and I'd be surprised to see what happens to it. And right now, it's under construction, so we can't get in, except we can go through the gate that's farther down the road. Stay tuned for a future episode as I take you into this ancient town under construction. So this ancient town has not had very many changes over many decades, but now it will be transformed. We'll see what holds for the future for this ancient town.